Introducing Promptmate's Buyer Persona Development Template.
Your one-stop solution to generate comprehensive buyer persona profiles tailored to your business or your client's business.
Start by adding your business keyword and location. For example, Pet Shop Palm Beach. Then click on Run. Once the results are ready, you will be able to see them. Thanks to our Google Maps and Google Business Reviews extenders, Promptmate is able to grab data from your competitors' reviews. Based on the data, it will first identify themes, pain points, preferences, and language patterns. Then it will identify interests, challenges, and other relevant characteristics. Finally, it will look for patterns and trends such as specific demographics that repeatedly mention certain features or aspects of your competitor's product or service. We'll also see if there are any common complaints or praises that stand out. Based on these 3 prompt results, it will start forming buyer persona profiles. It will develop fictional but representative characters that embody the traits, behaviors, and preferences of your potential customers. Remember that you can download the results as a CSV file or open directly on Google Sheet.
And before doing that, you can even customize the displayed fields. Buyer personas offer intricate insights, empowering you to grasp and engage your target audience more effectively. By better understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points, you can refine your business strategies, enhance customer connections, and drive significant growth.
For more information, visit promptmate.io.
The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.